What if the shirt on your back was actually alive, capable of cleaning itself, healing its own tears, and eventually dissolving completely without a trace? Chinese scientists just made this genuinely real, unveiling a living fabric that could quietly transform the future of clothing, wearable technology, and sustainable fashion forever. Researchers at the Shenzhen Institutes of Advanced Technology, part of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, engineered this textile from a surprising source, Cordyceps militaris, the caterpillar fungus. This fungus is actually well known already, widely used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine, but here it's being repurposed into something completely unprecedented: living clothing. Here's the clever engineering trick. Unlike typical fungal materials that lose biological activity once processed, this fabric keeps its fungal threads alive, but dormant. After being carefully dried, the fungus enters a low metabolic, sleep-like state, remaining stable and inactive until it's deliberately given nutrients to reactivate. And reactivation is remarkably simple. Researchers apply a nutrient solution made from ordinary potato water, triggering the dormant fungus to regrow fresh, healthy fibers. This allows the material to genuinely renew its own surface, clean itself naturally, and even partially repair torn or damaged sections when properly nourished. The fabric is also highly customizable. Researchers added engineered yeast to introduce vivid coloring and incorporated a separate melanin-rich fungus specifically for natural UV protection. Scientists describe this approach as a plug-and-play platform, meaning different living microorganisms could be layered in, creating countless different textile properties without redesigning everything. To prove real-world potential, researchers built an actual prototype dress, combining self-cleaning, colored, and UV protective sections into one genuinely wearable living garment. And sustainability is a major selling point here too. Environmental testing showed the fabric fully biodegrades within just 41 days, leaving virtually no lasting trace. Lead researcher Kay Lee explained the fabric feels denser than cotton, more like soft, non-woven material or flexible leather, without any lingering fungal smell. So could this replace your everyday cotton t-shirt anytime soon? Here's the honest answer: not yet, and researchers themselves are refreshingly upfront about this. Durability, moisture resistance, safety testing, and consistent manufacturing all still need significant improvement before this technology reaches genuine, everyday commercial clothing production. Still, the long-term vision feels genuinely exciting. Researchers hope future versions could use engineered genetic circuits, activating specific biological functions only when needed. Beyond fashion, this breakthrough hints at possibilities across healthcare, environmental protection, and advanced protective clothing, wherever self-healing, sustainable materials could genuinely make a difference. So tell me below, would you actually wear clothing made from living fungus? Subscribe and hit the bell for more science reshaping our everyday world.